If you're using the Smartsheet app on your iPhone and you want to sign out of your account, this step by step guide will show you exactly how to do it. So, whether you're switching accounts or just logging out for security reasons, the process is quick and easy. So, to get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Smartsheet app. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you are on the main screen where you can see your sheets, workspace, or dashboard. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. So you should see an account or profile icon. This icon usually looks like a person or may display your profile picture if you have one set. So go ahead and tap on that icon to open your account settings. So after tapping, you'll be taken to your account menu. So here you'll see different options related to your profile and app settings. So take a moment to scroll down through the list of options. So you have settings, resources like help, contact us, about, send feedback, cancel account, and sign out. So the sign out option is typically located near the bottom of the screen. So make sure you scroll all the way down if you don't see it right away. Once you find the sign out button, tap on it. And after tapping, a confirmation message may appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to sign out. So to continue, simply tap out, sign out, and after that, the app will log you out of your Smartsheet account and you will be redirected to the login screen. So from there, you can either log back in with the same account or switch to a different one. So if you don't see the sign out option, make sure you are in the correct account section and not inside a specific sheet or workspace. And that's it. That's how you can sign out of the Smartsheet app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.